Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your HONOR MagicBook to a TV. There are three possible methods and I'm gonna show you all of them and also explain their use cases because each method has different use case. So the first one is the most reliable one and can be used for everything, which is connecting it with a cable. So make sure that your MagicBook has a port that can be connected to a TV. So here I have an HDMI port and it can be connected to a TV or a monitor. Sometimes the USB-C port also will work, but I'm not sure which models are exactly taking it, so you may need to visit the manual. Then you just need to plug in the cable to your TV and your laptop if you have one. I'm just gonna plug it in. And now it should be working. Also, if it doesn't show on your TV, then make sure to change the source with the source button to the correct HDMI port or display port, depending on what ports you have on your TV. And then you can see that the screen is duplicated now. What it means is it shows the same content on both screens. To change that, you can you can basically just click on Windows P on your keyboard. So the two buttons at once, the Windows and the P button. And you can set it now to PC screen only, which is here. Then it'll only show you on PC screen. Duplicate, which was set before. Extend, which will show two different displays. So you can move different windows between those screens. So for example, you can move your video that you're watching onto your TV and still continue working on your laptop. And I'm gonna show you something else in a moment, but you can also set it to second screen only, so it'll only display image on your TV. But I'm gonna go back to extend and then click on more display settings, which are here. Then I'm gonna move the settings to the TV so you can see them better. And now you can see the arrangement of my displays. So if you don't know which display is which, you can just click on identify. Now I know, so I can rearrange them. So I'm gonna make it like that, so it's just like the actual state. And as you can see now, I can move my mouse up to move to TV or move it down to move it to my monitor. And the same goes to Windows. I can just take a window and move it to my monitor like that. So it's pretty convenient. And now let's go to the second method, which is connecting it wirelessly, and it'll work the same, but just without a cable. So it has a big disadvantage, which is the quality of the image, which sometimes may be worse, and also the delay. It may have a big delay. So if you have an option to connect it with a cable, then I would recommend doing that. If you're watching videos, then wait to the third method. But if you really need to, for example, watch photos from your photo library with your family or friends, you can do that with this second method if you don't have a cable. So let's do that. I'm gonna unplug the cable first. Then what we need to do is go to the settings app on our laptop. I'm gonna try to bring it closer so you can see it better. And here we need to go to the in settings system, then display. And now we should have something like multiple displays. We should click on that, then click on connect to connect to a wireless display. And if your laptop and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, then you should be able to find this TV. I'm not really sure if that's the one. Let's try. Yeah, so I think it's not the one. I'm gonna try checking if my TV is connected to the Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna go to the menu on my TV On each TV it'll look differently, so I'll just find network settings, wireless. Okay, this one. And it should be connected, so let's try again. You can also, instead of going to settings, click on Windows K on your keyboard. Then it should find it, but I'm still not really sure that's the TV that I want to connect to, because it has a different number. So I'm gonna click on Can't Find a Device. Okay, I'm gonna try closing the settings and reopening them, maybe that'll help. Okay, I'll try restarting the laptop and see if it works. But in case it doesn't, I'm gonna still explain how it should be working. So if you click on Windows K, then find the correct display you want to connect to. You can click on that, and on your TV there will be an alert if you want to allow or disallow connecting to that device. So if you click on allow on your remote, you should be connected, and you can also click on Windows P to adjust the screen settings the same as on the wired connection. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, then we're just gonna move on to the next thing. So let's try clicking on Windows K. Okay, so I pretty much doubt that it'll be possible now, but it should, because in the past I was able to do that. So let's continue to the third step, which is casting a certain content. So if you're watching YouTube or Netflix or any app that supports it, any website that supports it, I'm just gonna go to any website and get back to you in a second. So, okay, I actually, in order to do so in the YouTube app, I will need to download the Google Chrome browser. So I'm just gonna quickly download it from google.com website and get back to you. Okay, so I have the Chrome browser downloaded. I think on Microsoft Edge it just doesn't work because I've tried doing it before, and also I just wasn't able to cast my screen from YouTube. Maybe there's a chance to do it from Netflix, but I'm not really sure, so I'll just quickly configure the Chrome browser, and then I'm just gonna search for YouTube, and now I'm gonna accept all. And search for our channel. Then as I select any video, I'm just gonna skip the ad. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video, and now we can click on three dots in top right corner of the browser and click on Cast, Save and Share. I'm gonna show you that on the screen. So here we have the Cast, Save and Share. Then we can click on Cast. Now it'll start looking for available devices for casting, and it has found my TV. And you can see on my TV it goes immediately into YouTube and will start casting, I believe. But after I click on Confirm here on the website, now you can see it starts casting the content. So that for sure works on YouTube if you have smart TV on your TV. If you don't, then probably you will not be able to do it with this method, but it's really great for like watching YouTube or Netflix. If you have Netflix installed, then you should also be able to do that. Maybe for Disney Plus and other platforms it will be available. If it's not available, by clicking on three dots in top right corner, then Cast, Save and Share, and clicking on Cast, then maybe within the website there will be an option. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.